Scott Templeman here again, and today I have with me Geoff Bock, Senior Analyst of Collaboration and Social Computing, and he'll be moderating C1, Open Source Collaboration Software, Benefits and Challenges. Now this sounds like case studies, or what will be the...
Well, actually no, this is going to be a couple of really engaging presentations about the future of open source collaboration, benefits and challenges, taking a look at what's happening in large organizations and medium-sized organizations, and how people are trying to pull things together and collaborate and share information more effectively.
Okay. Now, is this going to be the folks here? Are they going to be just the vendors or users? What's going to?
Well, no. Actually, we have a couple of really interesting speakers. One is Donna Cuomo, who is a senior technology architect from MITRE Corporation. Now, MITRE is a defense contractor, but they've also been very much on the forefront of collaboration technologies for many, many years. They're sort of a trendsetter within the government. And Donna is a very skilled technical implementer, and she's been working in this area for about 5 or 10 years, I would say. And she's going to be talking about the comparisons between open source collaboration and some out-of-the-box enterprise-grade software implementations that they've been doing for about 3 or 4 years. And then the second presentation will be by the CTO of Hippo, which is a software company, but he will actually be talking about an implementation that they have done in a very large financial services company. And I hope to have a third person as well to talk about another approach to open source, but I don't have that locked down yet.
As far as open source, this has for businesses, this has a broad appeal because of the fact that they're there for your taking.
Well, I mean, you know, there's something, you know, there's no such thing as a free lunch.
Yeah.
In the software business, and open source is what it is. It's open source. But it also then involves some pretty good community support. And one of the interesting things about the open source community, the open source movement, is how the community in fact can work together and collaborate across geographies to build new functions, and then also to actually implement and deploy enterprise-grade collaboration platform in a medium to large organization. So, and there's also many kinds of mixed use modes as well. So it's open source working alongside out-of-the-box packaged software. What are some of the connectors and the interconnectors? We'll be getting into all of that. I think it'll be a really great kickoff for the whole collaboration track, because collaboration is one of those things that's been around for years and years and years. But yet, with the new platforms and the new infrastructure that have come online with which goes under the name of Enterprise 2.0 or Web 2.0, we can start to do a lot better do many more ways that we can actually pull task teams and ad hoc groups together, span geographies, span time zones, and focus on achieving a common vision. And so that's what I think we're going to be talking about in this presentation.